Oh, hello, David. I already fed you. What are you waiting for? Hmm? What you waiting for, bud? No, you have enough corn. You bored? You lonesome? David. Hey, come here. Come here, Bird Bird. Bird Bird, where you going? Well, go for a walk then. Goofy. Hey, Evie. Hey, Evie. Can you Evie? Hi, baby. The back deck where David lives. Right, David? He sleeps over on the fire railing, which is above the downstairs door, so he can watch me go in and out. Hey, Nanners. Nanner banana. Hey, Evie. Whatever stops raining and dries up, we'll go out later. Hey, David. Hey, Bird Bird. What's up? Cool. You talking? You go visit the dogs? I thought we had a chat about that. Yeah, Evie's waiting for you.